This is in response to SSF's Flea Boys Lynch All Liars vote, which happened to go something like this.
As much as I long to keep my vote on Pick 'em Genius right now, oh, look at me, I'm so good. I have the most pictures of breasts on the internet. I just don't think that someone being at Lynch -1 of it by posting a meme is a good idea. Vote. Like some. Has anyone else noticed that mine and Pick 'em Genius's dice look exactly the same?
You know what? Holy shit, it's dark. Oh, there we go, that's better. I did notice that. That's why I used the red dice. Oh my god. Yeah. I am special too. Cause like no one else thought of posting bustices on the internet. I'd totally win. So like, you're just jealous. It's obvious. I mean, I would be too. Yeah. Look at it. Damn, my teeth are white. Holy shit. What the hell? Uh-oh. Bros. Fucking stupid bullshit. God damn it. What the hell's up with this bull? Thanks for loving this track. Awesome. God damn it. Dashboard really rocks the shit out of this song. Fucking Pepsi! That's all you get.